Hello everyone, today we introduce a pressure-sensitive adhesive label designed specifically for rough tire surfaces. YG Tire Label Adhesive. No more labels falling off tires. No more edge lifting caused by oil contamination. From performance testing to regular label comparison, we'll show you exactly how durable it is, all in one clear explanation. This product uses laminated metalized foil paper combined with a hot melt adhesive system. It is specifically designed for rough, high-friction surfaces such as tires. Its core advantages are rough surface resistance and abrasion durability. Next, we verify these points through real tests. During tire handling and installation, labels are often scraped or pulled. We directly pull the label edges. The face stock structure shows strong toughness with no tearing. Even under high difficulty stair-rolling tests, the label remains intact. This performance is beyond ordinary. Pressure-sensitive labels. Oil contamination is common in tire production, including processing oil, release agents, rust-preventive oil, and hydraulic oil. Most labels fail to bond under these conditions. YG tire labels fully overcome these challenges. Easy application, no lifting, no delamination. Even with external oil contamination, the surface wipes clean in one pass. This is not achievable with standard adhesive labels. Many tires are stored or displayed outdoors. This product withstands water, sunlight, and temperature variation without damage, whether for mass labeling in tire manufacturing or temporary identification in repair shops. YG Tire Label delivers strong adhesion, abrasion resistance, and real durability.